Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up your applications right here and open up the Contacts app, standalone version. And once it's open, click on the three bars, go to Settings. At the bottom you should see Import option. When you tap on it, you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM card. And this will then show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. So from here you can deselect contacts that you don't want, and once everything that you do want is selected, simply click on the checkbox, and there you go. X amount of contacts have been imported, and you should be able to see them now in your list right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.